Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Eid Mubarak to everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Stay safe. So in this vlog, I'm going to share with you all the desserts which I prepared and much more. This time I did not prepare much. I prepared only two desserts. The first one which I prepared was the basbousa with the cream filling. It's a very simple and Arabic dessert. So for it we need 3 eggs, half cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder and quarter cup milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup oil, 1 cup semolina and quarter cup desiccated coconut. Desiccated coconut is optional. Give it a quick mix. So this is our first layer. Now into a baking dish, I've already greased the baking dish. I'm going to add half of the batter into this. And the remaining half will be the third layer. So this is done. Bake this at 175 degrees Celsius for 13 to 15 minutes. So the second layer is the cream filling. For it we need 2 cups of milk, 4 tablespoons corn flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar. Give it a quick mix and cook this on low flame until it thickens. And 1 tablespoon rose water, this is optional, and cream. I took this Nestle cream. Add around half cup of cream or the can which is there. So this is done. Now I'm going to pour the second layer. Let this cool for some time. So this is cooled. Now I'm going to pour the third layer, the remaining batter which we had already prepared. And garnish this with almonds, blanched and peeled almonds. You can use any nuts of your choice. So I'm going to bake this at 175 degrees Celsius for around 20 to 25 minutes. Now for the sugar syrup, I took 2 cups water, 2 cups sugar and a lemon wedge to avoid crystallization. And cook the syrup for around 8 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, our basbousa is ready. I'm going to pour around 2 cups of sugar syrup onto the basbousa. I'm going to cut them into cubes. Do give this a try. It's a very delicious dessert. It's an Arabic sweet. Can you just look at this? This is really very yummy and tasty. So the second thing is the baklava. For it we need the filo sheets. You get this ready-made filo sheets. You need the whole pack for this. So I'm going to take 2 sheets. In between each sheet I'm going to use purified butter. That's the ghee. Just brush it and just on top of that add another filo sheet. I'm going to cut them into 4 quarters. So this is my other quarter. So with the help of any brush or any stick, just roll this as I'm showing you. Just follow exactly like this. It's a very simple dessert. It's a very popular dessert too. That's it. This is a bracelet baklava. So you can make around 45 roses. Now brush this with the clarified butter again. So totally you need around 200 grams of ghee. Now bake this at 175 degrees Celsius for around 25 minutes. So once this is baked, you can just top it up with some nuts. I am using walnuts. And now I'm going to use Nutella. And on top of this, I'm going to put the almonds. You can use any nut of your choice. I'm also using pistachios too. So I've used pistachios, walnuts and almond. And now again, you have to just pour some sugar syrup. So our baklava is ready to be tasted. Do give this a try. It's very simple. It's a very delicious dessert. So these were the two desserts which I prepared for the Eid. And the evening we went to the beach. I did not click much pictures here as I was literally very tired, and I was also enjoying the beach. So a few clicks. I made some homemade burgers. And some guacamole with nachos. The next day, this day was the best day. It was actually unplanned, and we planned to go to the Qudra Lake, Al Qudra Lake, which is in Al Ain Dubai Road. It was a very beautiful place. Although this is a summer, but this place was very cool. It was not very hot here. We had a very lovely time here. So this is one of the lakes. There are many lakes connected over here. So this is the first lake which we saw. It's a man-made lake. We enjoyed to the core. It was very beautiful. If you are a nature lover, please do visit this place. Although the best time to visit this place is during the season, that is from between November to March. You can find different varieties of birds here. These are beautiful swans. I totally saw around 14 types of birds. Many migratory birds come here too during the season.
Refa, just turn here, baby. Waifu, just show me your face. I can't see you. Where are you? Camouflage hogi, Refa. I cannot see you.
There are so many nests. I can see a parent bird sitting on, maybe they were sitting on an egg, I guess. So there were many nests on each tree. On this specific tree, there were around 4 nests. See, here also you can see. It was their natural habitat. It was very beautiful. This is the crane.
Full haircut देती है उसको. Used to it हो गया है.
So let me give you the brief knowledge about what to see and do at Al Qudra Lakes. To give you with the basic knowledge, the destination is ideal for wildlife watchers and those seeking to reconnect with nature. And the important thing what you should remember is arrive early and you'll find yourself more or less alone as birds call, and you can see the soft breeze rippling across the waters. It's a very beautiful place, and you can spot less exotic swans, lapwings, ducks, and a large flock of birds like quails, doves, etc. And also, when it comes to time to eat, Al Khudra doesn't have any restaurants or cafes. But still, for the best thing, what you should do is you can pack a picnic. You can also do the barbecue there. It's permissible. And if you prefer to get active, bring a bicycle, and you will enjoy. You can do cycling, and also you can spot many Arabian oryx grazing or darting around. And also while coming back, we spotted around two deers there. And to see the best part of the Al Qudra Lake is the sunset part. It has a very spectacular sunset, and it is a paradise for nature lovers. Do pay a visit here. Yeah, and you can see the nature at its best. But the best time to visit here is during it's between from November to March. Beautiful sunset. Has a very beautiful landscape. You can also do camping here. The skies here are entirely unpolluted by traffic or light. You'll spot twinkling stars, complex constellations, etc. So we are done. We are going back home now, and we are actually very hungry. And we're searching for some good restaurant.